Hi, I'm Kim Fuller. I am founder and owner of Fuller Life Concepts, will help women and entrepreneurs stay accountable to their goals, whether they're personal or professional goals. And I want to share with you the 3 common mistakes that we make when we're trying to achieve a goal that keeps us feeling stuck and feeling frustrated and underwhelmed. So my goal is for you to feel encouraged, feel supported, and really look at all of the successes that you're actually making. So the first mistake is that there is a belief that once you write down a goal, there's this magic wand that's just going to appear and ding, your goal will be achieved. Eek. That you actually don't have to do any other effort other than writing it down or putting on your vision board. Eek. That's a mistake. The second one is that SMART is the only way to go, where they are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time-bound. And a lot of times people spend a lot of energy trying to make sure that they are smart, that they actually get nowhere. So that is definitely a mistake. And the third is that goals are static. That once you create a goal, then that's the only one that you're going to achieve in the process. And believing that without achieving that one goal, you're not successful. Goals are actually moving target. They actually shift. And part of the process of achieving the goal is the goal and helps you to realize and feel that you have made progress towards the goal. So, for example, if your goal is to lose a certain number of pounds, but along the way you've gotten up and you work out and you're eating better, look at all those actual goals and objectives you achieved along the way, even if you didn't lose the exact number of pounds. So it's a mistake to only look at the goal, the end result, and not look at the whole process and see where you've had successes along the way. So the solutions, one major solution is actually do something, right? You can't just wave a magic wand and believe that it's just going to happen. You actually have to actually do something. The second is don't worry about it being smart. Worry about it being something that's specific to you, that's action oriented. Lose weight, run faster, call more clients, make more money. Those are more important. And then after that, you can go through all of the little specifics around the goal, but don't get stuck on it being smart. And the third is to share your goal with somebody else who's going to hold you accountable in a very loving and compassionate way. Because we all know the buddy system works a lot better. It's hard to hold ourselves accountable, especially when we get caught up in our minds of the I can't, I don't feel like it, so I don't want to. And so having somebody else there to hold your hand and to encourage you along the way is the best way to reach your goal and to feel successful. So what I want you to do is I want you to try something this week and beyond. And actually it's 2 things. One, I want you to schedule in time for your goals. Specifically schedule in time, whether that's to make calls, to exercise, to eat certain way, or to just review your goal on a regular basis. Schedule it in. The second, with a little bit of courage, I'd like you to share your goal with us in the Facebook group, Fuller Life Concepts. And then we can also help hold you accountable and give you the support and the love and the compassion that you deserve when you're trying to make big changes in your life. So this is Kim Fuller, and I am founder and owner of Fuller Life Concepts, and I'll see you next week. Bye.